Scenes such as this, starvation might be with us for a long time unless the government takes drastic measures. The price of maize flour, the staple food for many, has already gone up, with the price of 2-kilogram packet of flour selling at 120 shillings, even as the government claims to be working to keep the prices down.
I would like you to give us
A report released by the United Nations Environment Programme paints a grim picture of the near future. According to the report, droughts and declining grain production are likely to push up the prices of food.
A further depression of the growth in the agricultural sector could lead to elevated food prices in the extent of 30 to 50%, including also greater price volatility, greater fluctuations.
This is why Kenya should be one of the countries that is part of a pioneering group of countries in Africa that is rethinking how agricultural production systems should be developed.
To reduce the risk of starvation, the report proposes a raft of short-term and long-term measures, among them regulating food prices.
But what we have seen in Kenya during the past few months has shown some of the fundamental weaknesses when governments try to regulate markets without the governance and transparency that is essential to ensure that government is actually stabilizing.
The report further proposes that farmers should be assisted financially to boost production.
Kenya needs to be able to feed itself not only today, but in fact in 10 years and 20 years' time when there are even more people to feed. And that means rethinking the investment in the agricultural production system, but also the ecosystems that sustain it.
The report released at the ongoing environmental conference at the UN headquarters in Gigiri states that in the long term, investment in water harvesting, research and agricultural systems such as organic farming are crucial not only to meet household food needs but also to boost national food reserves. It also highlights the need to reduce food wastage. It is estimated that 20 to 40% of food produced in the developing countries